Step into the future of aerial warfare. This is China's J-20 Mighty Dragon. Crafted by Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, the J-20 is a stealth air superiority fighter that marries cutting-edge technology with agile performance. Since its first flight on January 11, 2011, and official debut in March 2017, this fighter has become a linchpin for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. With over 300 built since 2009, the Mighty Dragon dominates the skies with stealth, speed, and precision. Innovation, power, and stealth, this is the J-20. Subscribe now for more high-flying aviation insights.